Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Haircut Kit is probably one of the most essential tools a man can have in his grooming arsenal, offering the convenience and precision to achieve professional-looking hairstyles right in the comfort of his own home, saving both time and money on frequent salon visits while empowering him to maintain his desired look with ease and confidence. Number 5. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Hair Clipper 9649p. Introducing the Wahl Color Pro Cordless. Achieve professional-looking haircuts with ease, right in your own home. Never guess which guide comb to use again. Our intuitive color-coded system makes selecting the right length simple and fast. This versatile tool is perfect for everyone. Whether it's for men, women, or children, it provides a comfortable and precise cut. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Its rechargeable battery ensures you have the power you need for a complete grooming session. Experience the quality and performance Wahl is known for. Get salon quality results with every use, thanks to its powerful motor and sharp blades. The Model 9649p is designed for durability and ease of use. It's the perfect addition to your grooming arsenal for quick touch-ups or full haircuts. What we like. This kit makes home haircuts a breeze with its intuitive color-coded guide combs. If you're looking for a simple, foolproof way to achieve consistent lengths for the whole family, this is your go-to. It's perfect for parents who want to save time and money on haircuts for kids and adults alike. What people say. This is a great haircut kit for men. It comes with a variety of attachments that allow for different hair lengths and styles. The blades are sharp and cut hair evenly, and the motor is powerful enough to handle thick hair. The kit also includes a cleaning brush and oil, which are essential for maintaining the clippers. Overall, this is a high-quality haircut kit that is perfect for both home use and professional use. I have been using this haircut kit for a few months now, and I am very impressed with its performance. The clippers are lightweight and easy to handle, and the battery life is excellent. I can get a full haircut on a single charge, which is very convenient. The different comb attachments are also very helpful, as they allow me to achieve a variety of looks. I would highly recommend this haircut kit to anyone looking for a reliable and versatile tool for grooming their hair. Number 4. Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000. Meet the Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000, your ultimate grooming companion. It's designed for effortless styling of your beard, head, body, and face. Experience unparalleled precision with our dual-cut technology. It features twice the number of self-sharpening blades, designed to last for up to 5 years. This trimmer is engineered for maximum torque and power. Its robust full-metal motor and tempered steel drive train ensure exceptional durability and performance. Our cutting guards are reinforced with ultra-strong fiberglass. This innovative design prevents bending and buckling, guaranteeing a perfectly even trim with every use. Enjoy up to 5 hours of continuous run time on a single charge thanks to the powerful lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Grooming on your terms, without interruption. With 23 pieces included, this kit provides everything you need for all your trimming requirements. Achieve any style you desire with ultimate versatility. What we like. Experience ultimate grooming freedom with this comprehensive kit. Its advanced dual-cut technology ensures precision, while the extended battery life means you're never caught short. If you desire a single tool for all your beard, head, and body grooming needs and appreciate long-lasting performance, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Still works near perfect today. Battery life is amazing. I probably charged it like 4 times in all these years. It cuts hair with no pull, has tons of attachments, and is super easy to clean. As a beard trimmer, this is great, and is far superior to the one blade. There's no comparison, far more powerful and sharp. Number 3. Wahl 79434 Rechargeable Cordless Grooming Kit. Introducing the Wahl 79434, a versatile rechargeable kit designed for all your grooming needs. It offers both corded and cordless use for ultimate convenience. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless run time on a single charge. Its long-lasting, easy-to-clean stainless steel blades ensure a snag-free cut every time. Experience a smooth cut with its powerful, rechargeable battery and self-sharpening steel blades. They stay sharp longer and are removable for effortless cleaning. This perfect grooming kit includes 12 attachment guards, giving you everything you need for home haircuts and trimming. Achieve the exact style you desire. Trust in a brand used by professionals since 1919. Our clippers feature quality construction and precision self-sharpening blades, making them a reliable choice. Looking for a quality gift? This precise clipper is ideal for dads, husbands, and boyfriends. It's a top-rated grooming tool perfect for any occasion. What we like. Achieve salon-quality results at home with these professional-grade clippers. The self-sharpening blades and long-lasting battery offer reliable performance. If you value precision, the flexibility of corded or cordless use, and a smooth cut every time, this is the perfect tool for maintaining longer beards and body grooming. What people say. They do the job easily with a very quiet hum. It has a nice feeling in your hand. The attachments easily snap on and off, leaving a perfect look of the finished cut. It still cut my thick hair with no problem. It's light and easy to handle and lasts well on a charge. These hair clippers work very well and feel sturdy in hand. They cut smoothly without pulling or snagging hair, and the guards are easy to attach and remove. The motor is strong but not overly loud, which helps when using them at home. Battery life has been solid so far, and cleanup is simple. Number 2. Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers, designed for the modern man. Achieve barber-quality haircuts with ease and precision, right at home. Experience ultimate freedom with its cordless design. Powerful performance ensures a smooth and clean cut every time, without compromise. This professional-grade set includes everything a barber needs. It's perfect for intricate fades and detailed styling, offering versatility for all your grooming needs. Crafted with professional barbers in mind, this kit delivers exceptional results. Now you can achieve salon-worthy haircuts effortlessly. This comprehensive kit provides all the tools for a complete haircut. From trimming to fading, it handles it all with superior control and comfort. Master the art of fading with this exceptional clipper set. Its design allows for seamless transitions and precise detailing, giving you that professional finish. What we like. This set is designed for those who demand professional barber-level precision in their home grooming. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, leading to flawless fades and trims. If you're a barber or aspire to achieve barber-quality haircuts at home, this is the ultimate tool for your needs. What people say. They feel solid in the hand and have that professional weight and build that immediately tells you they're made well. The motor is strong and cuts through hair smoothly without pulling, and the blade stays sharp and precise. The trimmer is great for edges and detailing, super clean lines with very little effort. The battery life is also surprisingly good, lasting through multiple cuts without needing a recharge. It's super quiet, and the cordless aspect is really convenient. Number 1. Hatteker IPX7 Waterproof Cordless Hair Clipper Kit. Introducing a complete hair clipper set designed for effortless home haircuts. It includes a professional clipper and a detail trimmer, making it perfect for saving time and money while achieving salon-quality results. Experience superior performance with its powerful and durable motor. This device is built to last, suitable for everyone from children and men at home to professional hairdressers. Achieve your desired hairstyle with ease. An adjustable taper lever and multiple guide combs offer a wide range of cutting lengths, from 0.8 mm to 25 mm, for ultimate customization. Enjoy the convenience of a fully washable design for wet or dry use and easy cleaning. The LED display shows battery life, and a lock key ensures easy storage and travel. Its precision high-carbon steel blade stays sharp without pulling hair. Enjoy extended cordless use with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, offering up to 300 minutes of runtime after a full charge. What we like. Enjoy unparalleled convenience and performance with this waterproof grooming set. The impressive battery life and clear LED display make maintenance and usage effortless. If you appreciate the flexibility of wet or dry use, need a long-lasting charge, and want to easily monitor battery status, this is the perfect choice for a hassle-free grooming experience. What people say. Hardly ever needs recharged. Cuts and trims like a freak-in charm. I charge like every 4 to 6 months. All metal. It's a great shaver trimmer. I bought this set like 4 years ago, and it's still like brand new today and I use them often. Definitely professional commercial grade. Doesn't get warm nor hot. Very comfortable on the scalp. Not loud at all, only a medium hum on the shaver and almost zero noise on the trimmer. Cuts thick hair, beards, etc. easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.